Hi everyone, today's recipe is chicken tacos. You can use it on soft shells or hard shells. They are so yummy and so easy to make.
These are the ingredients we need to get started. We have 1 pound of boneless chicken, 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning mix. We like the ones from Trader Joe's. 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and then an additional 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. We use avocado oil that you'll need to saute it. So you're gonna marinate the chicken in this and you wanna put it in the fridge for a minimum of 30 minutes, but you can leave it overnight as well.
I like to cut the chicken really thin so it can cook fast. Here is the chicken, taco seasoning, and here is the crushed garlic, fresh, the oil, salt, and here is the lime juice. Now we just mix them all together, then we cover it with saran wrap and put it in the fridge. Here I added 4 tablespoons of avocado oil. Then I added the chicken on a thin layer in the pan and make sure it's evenly spread. Now after 3.5 minutes, we are going to turn it to the other side for another 2 minutes. So the whole process will take between 5 to 6 minutes. Now just last minute, I just mixed them together. And that's it. The taco is ready. The chicken came out juicy and so yummy. For topping, I added pico de gallo or some diced onions, some radish, some green onions. You can add cabbage, mayonnaise, avocado, any topping you like. Also, I have some Mexican rice and beans and some pico de gallo, and it was so yummy.